Almost dropped my keys. What's up, YouTube? It is All Black Blazing here with another RAM video. Did y'all like the first one? I did. Look at that thing. Ooh. So for this video, it's kind of like another huge surprise, because not only do I have this one, y'all see the Beetle, I also have this one. Now the difference is, this is a 2-wheel drive, this is a 4-wheel drive. And in a later video, or maybe this one, just depending on how long this one is, I'm gonna sit down and show y'all and tell y'all why I picked up 2 of them and why one looks better than the other. But for this video, we're gonna be taking these lights out and we're gonna be putting them in here, because those are clear. Those have like the black tint to it. I think those will look so much better on here. And if we have time, I'm gonna switch the chrome with the black. I'm probably gonna paint those though, because those look terrible. But we're gonna switch those up. So let me go grab some tools and let's start this video. Is a hot one, let me tell you. Okay, so we got the first one off, and as you see, let me see, I gotta get y'all at a good angle here. If you see, you can see the difference, the huge difference between the clear and the black. The black looks way better. It's just the inside of it that's black. It's not the cover to it, but that's just pure white, and it don't look good. So let me take that one off, replace this one, and then we will be right back. After a lot of confusion, a lot of sweat here, figured it out. So now, I ain't bolted in yet, but when you bolt it in, it'll sit a little further back. So you see the difference here. Gonna look way better, way better, way better. All right, so let's get this thing bolted in, do the other side, and I'll show y'all the finishing product.